Hi, good morning everyone. Let's get started with next topic, which is solution manager infrastructure. Okay, in this topic we will talk about the different components within solution manager, how they component get integrated, and what is the function of each component. Okay, so this particular diagram that you are seeing here at the top is the system where you install SAP Solution Manager, and the version that we install is 7.1, and the current version at the time of recording is SP8 in 7.1. Okay, in this particular Solution Manager you have these main components, which is the local SLD, which basically stores the information about product instance and component information. Okay, so central or local SLD must be connected to LMDB. So basically the information into SLD comes from the diagnostic agent. So these diagnostic agent, if you see this particular solution manager, the main objective of solution manager is to monitor and report on the performance and availability and other functionalities. Okay, so the systems that they monitor is called as managed system. So here you can see that there are a couple of managed systems shown here. Okay, so this is one of the managed system, physical host, and in this particular managed system you can see that there is an agent called diagnostic agent, which is there, which sends the information to the SLD host. Okay, so you have an option to use a local SLD or a separate SLD, and so this option is there. You can use a central SLD or local SLD. Okay, so the information which is coming or provided by the diagnostic agent, the diagnostic agent gets the information from the host agent. Okay, so this information comes to the SLD, and is a technical system is created there. Technical system information and the information related to product instance. Okay, so this information is in turn gets replicated to LMDB. The LMDB in turn populates SMSY. So this is the SMSY, which is your system landscape, and all the functionality, all the systems are defined, logical systems based on the technical systems are defined here and is used for or by different applications like business process monitoring, maintenance optimizer, and all the other work centers which are created or used for and by solution manager. Okay, so this particular host here, you can see that there is a component called Wiley Introscope. Okay, so Wiley Introscope, the current version that is used is Enterprise Manager 9. Say X, it's actually 9.0 series. Okay, so this component has, you can install a diagnostic agent on each Wiley host, and this information is also goes to LMDB. You have the SAP host agent on this system also. Okay, now you have, if you see the different components which is there, you have your solution manager system, which is solution manager host, you have the Wiley Introscope, you have SLD, central SLD, you have DB physical host. Basically this is the system which is having and solution, the SAP host agent and diagnostic agent. Okay, so basically we install a diagnostic agent on each DB host. Then for each managed system, this is one of the important component, because this is what sends the information, the data to solution manager, and it uses SAP host agent. Okay, so SAP host agent configuration needed for diagnostic agent communication. So basically these two components, they collects the information from the managed system. So managed system could be an ABAP system. Okay, ABAP system, it uses CCMS to send out the information, and Java system, it uses this particular agent to send out the information. Okay, so you have seen that the systems that we monitor could be an ABAP system, could be a Java system, and each system, each physical managed host system should have a SAP host agent, and it should have a diagnostic agent. And depending on whether it is a physical system or a virtual system, you will have number of host agent and diagnostic agent installed. And for DB physical host also, as this is a database system, it's a separate system, you have your host agent and diagnostic agent installed here. Okay, all this information by diagnostic agent is sent out to SLD, central SLD. Central SLD is in turn connected to LMDB, which is your landscape management database. So this is the central database which stores all the information for all the systems in your landscape. This in turn populates SMSY, which is system landscape. Okay, it gets the information. Say for example, if we are looking at root cause analysis, so this is the component which plays a role. You have your Wiley Introscope Enterprise Manager, that is Wiley Enterprise Manager EM. Okay, so these are the different components of Solution Manager infrastructure. So this is pretty much I wanted to cover in this particular training session. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Bye bye.